Study the question careful and use it to find the value of y for 3 greater than y, and y greater than -12. The sum of the square of 2 times x and 1 divided by x equals the sum of 4 times the square of x, 1 divided by the square of x and 4, which is equals to the sum of 4 times the square of x and 1 divided by the square of x, which is equals 5. Rearrange terms, and we have that the sum of the square of 2 times x and 1 divided by x equals 9. Find the square root of the equation. The sum of 2 times x and 1 divided by x equals plus or minus the square root of 9, which is equals to plus or minus 3. To find the value of y, multiply y with the sum of 2 times x and 1 divided by x. Simplify the product expressions as shown on the screen, and we have the sum of 8 times cube of x, 1 divided by cube of x, 2 times the sum of 2 times x and 1 divided by x. Thus, the sum of 8 times cube of x and 1 divided by cube of x equals the expression shown. Substitute values. For the sum of 2 times x and 1 divided by x equals plus 3 in the equation above, for x equals 3, and we have plus 9. After simplification. For the sum of 2 times x and 1 divided by x, which is equals to -3. The sum of 8 times the cube of x and 1 divided by the cube of x equals the sum of -15 and 6, which is equals to -9, that is equals to y. Therefore, y equals to -9. The correct option is E.